Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up Trojan Solana trading bot in Telegram. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on this reputable website and first of all you just have to load Trojan on Telegram. So you can access Trojan bot by going to their official website. Just search for Trojan bots on Google, and then you have to set up your account. Click start and the bot will set up your Solana wallet address linked to your Telegram account, ready to be funded for transactions. And then you have to top up your balance. You can send funds Solana to that Solana address through your favorite crypto exchange. So it can be Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, Get.io, or through your existing Solana wallet like Phantom. And to buy crypto using Trojan bot, you just have to access the bot on Solana, enter the coin ticker or contract address, choose the amount, review swap summary and price impact, confirm purchase, and that's how you do it. To sell the crypto, it's pretty straightforward. It's basically the same. You just have to click on sell, just access the bot, select the token to sell, choose the selling percentage and confirm the sell. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.